Hello, dear friends. Thanks for joining. So today it's a special event. As you see, it's a giveaway announcement, and this is the original painting giveaway I'm gonna do today. So let me explain to you all the rules and how to enter to win. Here you will watch the full demo for this giveaway painting. I'm doing it, as you see, on a black canvas. So this is a thank you giveaway painting announcement for Sam Ben Art subscribers and all people watching and supporting my channel. Here the giveaway official rules. Please pay attention to make it properly. What you win, as I mentioned, it's an abstract acrylic original painting on canvas. The measurements are 20 inches by 16 inches or 50.8 centimeter by 40.6 centimeter. How to enter? I have two requirements. First one is about YouTube. I want you to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification button to be notified every time I have a new video or every time I have announcement. Like this one, a giveaway announcement, because I'm gonna do another one when I hit the 1000 subscribers, and it will be two original painting giveaway. Let me repeat: subscribe, like, and I will like it if you like my other videos. And then you should answer the question I will be asking during this giveaway video, and please, only one entry per person. The second thing you should do is to follow me on Instagram and leave a personal message containing the word giveaway. And I choose this because I really want to interact with you on Instagram, that I can message you and you can connect with me at any time. So if you don't have Instagram account, then send me an email with giveaway as object on this email address, as you see on the screen. So this is a free enter to win. The contest opens at 9 a.m. on March 7th, 2021, and the contest closes at 9 a.m. on March 20th, 2021. The winner will be chosen randomly with a YouTube comment picker on March 20th, 2021, and will be contacted by Instagram message or by email the same day. If the winner has not followed the rules of the contest, they will be disqualified. All this information, you will find them on the description below. This is a very important information. I want to bring your attention that I deliver only on Ottawa, Canada. If the winner is from outside Ottawa or anywhere on the world, he needs to choose the way of shipping and pay for it. I'm not paying for the shipping. I don't have any experience doing this, so I'm really sorry, but the winner should handle that and tell me how he wants me to ship the painting. If the winner does not respond within 10 days following the announcement, he will be disqualified and a new winner will be chosen. Any information collected will be used for the sole purpose of delivering the prize to the winner or to notify you about a new giveaway event I'm organizing. So this contest, this giveaway event is not sponsored by YouTube. I'm solely responsible for the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. Not Instagram, not YouTube are responsible of any of that. Good luck and thanks for watching, and see you later in the question. Hello again. So lovely friends, here the question. I choose a name for this painting. I want to name it Abstract Flowers. So I want you to comment below and tell me, do you like this name? Or, so if you like it, you say just, I like the name of Abstract Roses. Or if you don't like it, you just say that you don't like the name and you suggest another name, any other name. That's it. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video, of course, but especially in 2 weeks for announcement of the winner. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.